Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you have questions about. Cellulite. Yup, we're going there. From what it actually is to how you can reduce its appearance, we're covering all the bases. So, whether you're dealing with cellulite on your thighs, your booty, or anywhere else, stay tuned because we're going to break down everything you need to know. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future health and beauty tips. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is cellulite? You've probably seen it, those lumpy, dimpled areas of skin that sometimes look like orange peel or cottage cheese. But what's actually going on beneath the surface? Cellulite is caused by fat deposits that push through the connective tissue beneath your skin. The result is that uneven texture you see on the surface. It's most common in areas like your thighs, butt, hips, and stomach, basically anywhere the body tends to store fat. Now, here's something that surprises a lot of people. Cellulite doesn't only happen to people who are overweight. In fact, it affects people of all shapes and sizes, even those who are super fit and healthy. What causes cellulite to be so visible comes down to a mix of factors like skin thickness, the way fat is distributed in your body, and how your connective tissues are structured. So even if you're very lean, you can still have cellulite. In fact, around 80 to 90% of women will experience cellulite at some point in their lives. That's almost everyone. So, if you're stressing out about a few dimples, I'm here to tell you, it's totally normal. Now that we know what cellulite is, let's talk about why we get it. There are a few key factors that contribute to cellulite, and understanding them can help us figure out the best ways to reduce its appearance. First up, hormones. Hormones, especially estrogen, play a big role in the development of cellulite. Estrogen affects things like fat storage and blood circulation, and as estrogen levels fluctuate, especially around puberty, pregnancy, or menopause, you might notice cellulite becoming more prominent. This is why cellulite is much more common in women than in men. Low estrogen levels reduce blood circulation to the connective tissues under the skin, which weakens the collagen and allows fat to push through more easily. So, if you're noticing cellulite popping up more as you age, or during hormonal changes, that's likely a big part of the reason. Next up, we have genetics. That's right. You can thank your family for this one. Genetics determine things like your skin structure, elasticity, and how your body stores fat, which are all key factors in whether or not you'll have noticeable cellulite. So, if your mom, aunt, or grandma had cellulite, there's a pretty good chance you'll deal with it too. But don't worry. Just because you've inherited cellulite doesn't mean there's nothing you can do about it. We're going to talk about some great solutions in just a bit. Alright, let's talk about lifestyle. The way you live your day-to-day life can also affect the appearance of cellulite. If you're not staying active, it can lead to poor circulation and fluid retention, both of which can make cellulite worse. Regular exercise helps improve blood flow and strengthens the muscles under the skin, which can help smooth out the appearance of cellulite. What you eat also plays a role. Diets that are high in fat, sugar, and processed foods can lead to weight gain and fat storage, which might make cellulite more noticeable. On the flip side, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can improve your skin's health and make cellulite less visible. Water, water, water. Staying hydrated is crucial for healthy skin. When you're dehydrated, your skin can look more wrinkled and uneven, which can make cellulite stand out more. Drinking enough water keeps your skin plump and smooth. Did you know smoking damages collagen and elastin, the fibers that keep your skin firm and smooth? Over time, this can weaken your skin and make cellulite more noticeable. So, if you're a smoker, quitting could be a big help in reducing cellulite. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Finally, there's the unavoidable factor, aging. As we get older, our skin naturally loses elasticity and collagen, which makes cellulite more visible. The connective tissues in your skin become weaker, and the fat deposits can push through more easily. While you can't stop aging, there are ways to keep your skin healthy and elastic, which we'll talk about shortly. Before we jump into solutions, let's clear up some common myths about cellulite. There's a lot of misinformation out there, so let's set the record straight. Myth number 1. Only overweight people have cellulite. False. Like I mentioned earlier, anyone can have cellulite, regardless of body size or shape. Even if you're super fit and lean, you can still have cellulite because it's about how your body stores fat and how your connective tissue is structured. So, don't think that losing weight will automatically get rid of cellulite. It might reduce its appearance, but it's not the only factor. Myth number 2. Cellulite is caused by toxins. Nope, cellulite isn't caused by toxins in your body. This is a popular myth spread by some companies selling detox products, but there's no scientific evidence to support it. Cellulite is caused by fat pushing through connective tissue, not toxins. So while detoxing might make you feel healthier overall, it won't specifically target cellulite. Myth number 3. You can get rid of cellulite completely. I hate to break it to you, but there's no way to completely eliminate cellulite. You can reduce its appearance, sometimes dramatically, but it's unlikely to disappear 100%, especially long-term. The good news is that there are plenty of ways to make it less noticeable. Okay, now that we've busted some myths, let's get into the good stuff. How to reduce the appearance of cellulite. While we might not be able to eliminate it entirely, there are definitely ways to make it less noticeable, and I've got some great tips for you, from simple lifestyle changes to more advanced treatments. First things first, exercise. Regular physical activity, especially strength training, can help reduce the appearance of cellulite by building muscle under your skin. When your muscles are toned, they help stretch out the skin and smooth the appearance of those dimples. Some of the best exercises to target cellulite-prone areas include squats, lunges, leg lifts, hip thrusts. These exercises focus on strengthening your glutes, thighs, and legs, areas where cellulite tends to show up the most. Pair these with regular cardio, like walking, cycling, or swimming, to burn fat and improve circulation. You've probably seen those cellulite creams on the market promising to smooth out your skin. Do they work? Well, kind of. Creams that contain caffeine or retinol can help reduce the appearance of cellulite by tightening the skin and boosting collagen production. But here's the thing. They're temporary fixes. You'll need to apply them consistently to maintain the results, and they won't completely get rid of cellulite. Think of them as a boost, not a cure. Next up is massage and dry brushing. Both of these techniques help stimulate blood flow and promote lymphatic drainage, which can reduce the appearance of cellulite. You can either get a professional massage or do it at home with a handheld massager or dry brush. Dry brushing is a super simple method that involves using a natural bristle brush to gently brush your skin in upward strokes, starting from your feet and moving toward your heart. It's great for exfoliating your skin and improving circulation, which can make your skin look smoother over time. If you're looking for more noticeable results, there are a variety of professional treatments that can help reduce cellulite. Some of the most popular options include laser treatments. These target the fat cells and tighten the skin at the same time, helping to smooth out the appearance of cellulite. Radiofrequency. This uses heat to stimulate collagen production and reduce fat, making your skin look firmer. Cellulase. A minimally invasive procedure that targets the fibrous bands under the skin that cause cellulite dimples, breaking them up to create a smoother surface. These treatments tend to offer longer-lasting results than creams or at-home remedies, but they can also be more expensive. Make sure to consult with a professional to see what's best for you. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Remember, cellulite is completely natural and affects almost everyone, so don't feel like you have to hide it. However, if you want to reduce its appearance, there are plenty of options available. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more health, beauty, and fitness content. I've got tons of great videos coming your way. As always, leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.